What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andre, the host of our channel, and today is Friday, November 20th. Today is vlog number 2 of this week, and Sunday will be vlog number 3 of this week. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to our channel. My name is Andre, Student Racer. Please hit the my voice cracks, by the way. If you're new to the channel, you'll learn every vlog is not complete unless my voice cracks. There was your vlog. So here we go, guys. Bottom right hand corner of your screen is a subscribe button. Make sure you hit it. If it's red, hit that button, make it gray. If it's gray, hit that bell button so the bell turns on. Those are your post notifications every time we post on our story or our post or our vlog or whatever we go live. You guys will get notifications that we're doing something interesting on the channel. And also, I wanted to tell you guys, one of the announcements that I have today is that we are revealing the Lamborghini LP 550 that sleeps right behind these garage doors. If you look close enough at the video, you may or may not see a hint of the color that I just revealed at the opening scene of this video. So after this premiere is done, I really appreciate all of you guys who have tuned in for the premiere. It is something I'm going to do on a regular basis now. I really enjoy interacting with all of you guys, and the premiere gives me a great chance to do just that. All of you folks who put so much time into your, so much time out of your days to support your boy Andre, the least I can do is interact with you guys on a regular basis, on Wednesdays, on Saturdays. This week is going to be on a Friday and a Sunday, so you guys get 3 vlogs out of me. We're not doing a vlog on Saturday, the 21st. We're doing a vlog on Sunday, the 22nd. So I want to show you guys how the premiere works and what it's all about. And I expect all of you guys watching this now, yep, you, to tune in on Sunday at 1:00 p.m. for the unveiling of the newly wrapped LP 550 that APX did a killer job on. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. A lot of you guys ask me, how can you get in touch with me? What's the best and most efficient way to talk to me? DM me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I do respond majority of my DMs. If you're weird, I'm gonna block you. If you're cool and chill, we can chat, all good. But make sure you guys DM me on Instagram. It is the best way to get in touch with me, but I wanna show you guys what the premiere feature is all about. So on your phones or your computers, it's the same platform. First thing you do, you go to the channel. This is the last video that we had. You will see a thumbnail of the video right over here. You'll see a countdown once the video approaches its live time. I think it's a 2-minute countdown. First thing you want to do is like the video, okay? Don't hit the thumbs down. We have one hater that comes in here and dislikes each and every one of our videos, and we know exactly who he is, and he can go beep himself. You want to go over to the live chat feature right over there, okay? So the live chat feature right over there is a great chance for you guys to watch the video with me. When it goes premiered live, this is exactly what happens. So you guys can interact. You guys could actually watch the video together with me. You guys can comment your thoughts. And I want to see this really active, you guys. This is a really cool thing that YouTube offers all of the subscribers and followers and supporters of this channel. And it really helps vamp up the video too. So here was the first time we did a premiere. It was very successful. I really enjoyed it. The yellow tags are me. The other ones are all of you guys. And I think all of your pages will show you as yellow. Kind of flip-flop the colors here. So this is what we get in the premiere. It's a lot of fun. You guys also get to interact with other folks of this channel. And because you guys are tuning in for this, I do expect you guys to tune in for Sunday, 1:00 p.m. I know it's a Sunday. I know you guys have lives and it doesn't revolve just around this channel. But if you can tune in, I would graciously appreciate that. So because you guys are such good folks, I'm going to give you guys a little preview of the car. And, we got to unlock this guy right over here. And, the enter button. It's not opening. Shit. You guys might have to tune in. Let's try that again. All right. Nope, not working. We'll try it one more time. Let's hit that enter button. Oh, it's opening. Here's you guys a sneak preview. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Oh, shit. What is that? Oh, you guys get to see the oh, damn it. That's not what you wanted to see. Well, I got to tell you guys, unfortunately, that is what you guys are going to be seeing right now. I am got to be really careful with the camera. There we go. Okay, I'm back against the wall. Make sure you guys tune in 1:00 p.m. on Sunday. Thank you guys for all of your support. I love y'all. I hope you have a great Friday, a great Saturday. I will see you guys on Sunday. Good morning. It is a foggy morning out, but it is a nice morning out because obviously you guys can see I am at an event that has lots and lots of supercars right over here. We are at the official Cars and Jets event. This is their Instagram handle right over here. Please make sure you guys check them out. If you are interested in joining events like this, do register at their website, which will be linked in the description below. We have, oh my god, probably, how many cars are out here, sir? About 100? Probably about 100, 115-ish supercars out here. It's very well organized. They have, you know, folks like this guiding cars where to park. It goes all the way down there and stretches all the way down to over there. I'm gonna do a walk around, show you guys some of the cool cars, and we're gonna go for a drive. And Cars and Jets is exactly what it sounds like. It's cool cars and cool jets. So obviously it's a very, very exclusive club. You have to be invited to go. You register online, they review your application. Once they qualify you, you are able to attend the events like this. It's very organized and it's pretty awesome. So let's go check some cars out.
Tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friend, but we rocking all the same things.
Just when you thought one Carrera GT wasn't rare enough, we come at you with a second Carrera GT. My goodness, look at this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous. They're twins, two peas in a pod. And this one's got black wheels. This one's got polished wheels. Silver, I guess you can call them. Oh my god. How often do you see this? That's a rare sight if I've seen one, jeez.
Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above. Get the cream on the side. Make you laugh to know it.
So this car right over here, this belongs to Mr. Blue Beauties himself. And as obsessed I am with nitrous as obsessed he is with blue. And rightfully so, because his cars are absolutely stunning. Look at this thing. He's had a blue Huracan first and a blue Aventador and now a blue R8 V10 Plus. I mean, man, this guy's got some taste in cars if I knew any. And here's his Instagram handle right over there. Literally blue beauties. So make sure you guys check out his page. He posts some really funny content too, so check it out.
But we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really trying to change lanes. Well, I don't even care.
So I've grown to have a new appreciation for Lamborghini wheels because, well, not Lamborghini wheels, but wheels that fit on Lamborghinis because they're so complicated to get the right fitment, the right sizes on them. Obviously, as you guys can see, this Aventador right over here has done it perfectly. It is flush with the fender. The rear sits perfect on a 355 25 21 tire in the back. Absolutely monstrous. Incredible looking car, huh? Look at that thing. Same as the Gallardo, you know, same thing. What's the difference? Now these are awesome cars, are they not? These are awesome cars. I wonder what the heck this is for. I'm sure it had a purpose at some point. Maybe another exhaust was once routed out of there, but now we're back to the original form, it looks like. Oh look, Nikki's here. You guys remember Nikki's car from the last BH2 event that I was on? One of the three in the group, and the third is right over there, Mr. Brian. And he's repping his Viper jacket too. Outstanding stuff, outstanding support. Nikki drove in from San Diego today. I haven't seen her yet, but some of her new mods include her gas cap, which looks awesome. Outstanding. Clear corners, I don't have those, mine are just wrapped, but her car is superb. Trying to get her to give into nitrous on this thing, but she says she's gonna go straight to twin turbo. Got my money's out for me. Look at this Eleanor right over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is perfect. And if I had one, you guys know I would do exactly this to mine. I need NOS. Wow, so clean. And you know what? Doesn't care about weight, just like me. Got a subwoofer back here.
We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights on the stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friend, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really trying to change lanes.
Now we have a third Ferrari GT out here. My God. This is what you get when it comes to cars and jets. So you got a cool car, register for it, make the drive, even if you're, you know, bordering states, it's well worth it. It's more of like a club as opposed to a car meet. And I'm gonna go have some donuts right now before we start driving. See ya.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it.
It's like my car's twin brother, but except it's a different color. How cool is that? So it's also a 552, meaning it's rear wheel drive. So look at this. This is incredible.
We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
Wow, talk about supercar galore. My goodness. I'm gonna put this thing down and get some racing in for you guys, hopefully at least. Let's see how this goes. Look at that thing, my goodness, it is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Definitely a classic in my opinion. And that 360 sounds so good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look, oh yeah. Look at that. ACR paint right there. Jesus Christ, this we saw it coming that time. Now you guys know what I deal with. I go over these freaking bumps. Jesus Christ. It's insane how similar the Huracan sounds to the Gallardo. It's actually insane. There appears to be a pretty aggressive dip over here. Let's see if I could pass this challenge. My God, what the f is going on over here? Yep, ACR didn't scrape. What's up, brother? How are you, man? Go all the way down. Gotcha.
But I put it in the music, well that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above.
All right, so we have arrived to Santa Clarita Porsche, it looks like, right? And we are going into their underground dungeon over here, the secret dungeon. Dun, 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 dun. So as you guys know, this is Priscilla. Priscilla has that awesome AMG GT. And she's talking about wrapping her car, a secret color, in a secret dungeon. Wow, look at this. Jeez. Now here's vlog-worthy material right here. And if it isn't Mr. Wilco Bilco.
What's up, man?
What is an event without a Bill, without a Will, without a Co? The Co of Will Colette, Williams Company.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What is it really? I know it's Bill Co, obviously. Bill is a Sir for William, Co for Colette, your last name. But in good company, this is Wilco Bilco. Instagram Bilco, the Wilco, the Manco.
Yeah, it's funny. He pulled up at the event, and two of the people I was with was like, "Wow, that's a really cool looking Viper." I was like, "That's Andre. You don't know Andre?" They're like, "Who's Andre?" I was like,
And you took some cool pictures?
"Yeah, we did."
Well, what an event. Jeez,
yeah, this is sick.
This is outstanding.
I've never even seen an Enzo before.
Which one would you take?
Of the whole room, or just these two?
These two. Which
the
one
green.
would you take?
The green
one. Yeah,
the
this is like Christmas all over again.
Yeah, I've never seen that color.
And you
before.
said an Enzo somewhere, huh? You guys ready for the Enzo? Here we go. Let's go see the Enzo. And it's got an Armenian flag on it. Yes, sir. Let's go take a look at that thing.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay.
So as you guys know, since the majority of you guys follow me on Instagram, Armenia is going through a battle with Azerbaijan, backed by Turkey, and it makes me so proud to see one of the most exquisite supercars ever built. The Ferrari Enzo, such an iconic car, right over here with only 500 units, actually 499 units ever built in the world. I think it's 499, and one of which is owned and operated by an Armenian man right over here. So this right here shows that it is an Armenian car owner. Obviously is a great supporter of Armenia and an advocate of the country and what's going on out there overseas. So I want to thank you guys formally again for contributing all you guys have, both with publicity, with reposting my posts on Instagram, and in further all of your donations that have been sent over to Armenia to help battle this war against a country that is well outnumbered Armenia. Thank you guys for your support. Thanks to this guy here for his support, and let's give you guys a tour of more of the cars. This is incredible, outstanding event. Looks like there's a Senna sitting right over there, a full carbon Senna. Jesus, look at this thing.
I just bought a new whip, spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk.
And there's the man with the nicest Lamborghini ever.
That's straight.
Dude, I love the wrap. The wrap is incredible. You guys saw the car earlier in the vlog, obviously, in early signature wheels. This is Charles.
Hey, he's got the best Lambo.
Hey, man.
He's got the best
Hey,
Lambo.
man. How you doing?
I just bought a new whip, spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love.
So what's better than one Carrera GT, two Carrera GT, three Carrera GT, 4 and 5 Carrera GT?
But what's better than a Carrera GT? I mean, you're
Hanging out with you. Hanging out with you.
Hey, but you guys out there have to know what that red car is right there. I mean, that is one of a kind.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
A Ferrari Enzo.
They made what? 499 of them, I think. 499.
You know, it's so. These things are so rare. They might have made that many, but there's not many left.
Yeah. These things were 2005, right?
2005, I think, and also, I mean, the condition of them. You don't usually see them in really good condition.
Right.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Very rare. You don't.
What's this thing valued at?
I couldn't even tell you, man.
In the millions.
Definitely.
Wow.
Over 1 for sure, but I think it's like 2 or 3 if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, he's the guy with the blue R8 I talked about earlier in the video, so that's the guy. There's if you want to put a name to the face, this is the one. Coolest and funniest videos ever, so absolutely.
I'm trying to get like this guy
Hey,
over there.
man. Hey, good seeing you, brother. Yeah. All right, so I think we are going to wrap it up and head out of Cars and Jets. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description below. Register for future events if you're interested in joining. And yeah, this is what you're gonna get. A sea of Carrera GTs, a carbon Senna, a Ferrari Enzo, a Pista, an 812 Superfast right back there. Wow, what a lineup. 2 more Carrera GTs in the corner. Looks like Christmas over there. Well, with that, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog today. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, like, and share. I've also learned 50% of our viewers are subscribers, the other 50% are not. So if you've gotten thus far in the video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Yes, you just looked at it. Yes, it's in the bottom right-hand corner. And since I was right on that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. It really helps grow the channel and help with the algorithm of the channel to make this little channel that much bigger. So thank you. Hope to tune in next time, and we'll chat soon. See you later.